Hey everyone, this is Nicole Glass, and today it is the 4th of July, Independence Day in the United States. And today I'm actually on a sailboat in Annapolis, Maryland. I'm gonna watch the fireworks here, and it's gonna be beautiful. So this is more of like a vlog style video. I don't usually do a lot of these, and the reason is because I'm usually so busy taking photos that it's hard to take photos and videos at the same time when you're using the same camera. Usually I'm like super focused on one thing or another, but I'm gonna try to do both this time and just, you know, see how it does. Usually on 4th of July, I am downtown on the National Mall where I usually like watching the fireworks, but this year I decided to skip that because I don't often get the opportunity to watch the 4th of July fireworks from a boat. So right now we're just sitting here waiting for the fireworks to start. We've got about an hour to go. There's a lot of other boats out here with us and you know, just enjoying the view. So I guess this would be a good time and a place to talk about something that's always on my mind. I am here with a bunch of friends and my friend's family on a boat, and the question I'm always thinking is, how much of that time should I dedicate to photo and video, and how much of that time should I dedicate to just hanging out with them and not focusing on photography at all? And this is kind of like always in the back of my mind whenever I do anything, whether it's traveling or, you know, going to a beautiful place or hiking. I am just always so glued to my camera, and sometimes I need to learn to just put the camera down. Is anybody else like this? And it's even harder now that I have this YouTube channel because I just want to share even more moments, which makes it even harder to put the camera down. Yeah, that's just, you know, something to think about, something I have to find a good balance for. You know, I need to find a good balance of when the camera is on and when the camera is off. But, you know, I would imagine that there's a lot of YouTubers out there that pretty much never turn it off. So this is my wonderful friend Mariana. She's the one that set up this entire, you know, adventure that we're having today. Her dad actually owns this boat, am I right?
Yes. This is my first time seeing a drone. I'd never seen one before, and when I saw Nicole just like shoot that thing up in the air, it was really, in Spanish I would say impresionante. Very, how do you say that in English?
You were very impressed?
Astonished.
Okay, I don't speak Spanish.
Yeah.
But anyway, speaking about drones, this is actually the first time I launched a drone from a boat. It's something I've always been very nervous about because I've always been like, boats move, and like, I don't know, what if the drone like falls into the water?
I was wondering that too.
Yeah.
Like, what would we do if the drone falls
I've always
into the
wanted
water?
to launch off a boat, and this seemed perfect because the boat was anchored, so that's why I gave it a go. But I did get the drone back, luckily, so all is good.
Yeah, and that was pretty neat because the drone was like trying to get away from Nicole, and Nicole was leaning over the edge of the boat, and we were thinking, oh no, she's about to fall over.
Well, I had the drone on, you know, I had the obstacle detection on, so the drone detected me as an obstacle and was trying to get away. But no, I was able to catch it, so. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna enjoy the fireworks now. If you want to get really amazing photos of fireworks, you'll want to find a place on solid ground where you can set up a tripod. Bring a remote or wireless trigger with you. To get those epic fireworks shots, you'll want to do a long exposure. This will allow you to capture more of the fireworks in a single photo. This is how I usually shoot fireworks when my intention is firework photography. However, being on a boat, it would have done me no good to bring a tripod anyway. The boat was rocking back and forth, and there's no way I could have achieved what I do when I'm on solid ground. So this year, I mostly just took a couple of videos and enjoyed the view. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and enjoy the rest of your day.